Every 2 months, all CodeMeters, whether standalone or network, must communicate over the internet with a certified Weeboo time server to be certified and to continue to operate. This is likely to be more of a consideration for surveyors and site users of 12D model than it is for those working in an office, due to the higher likelihood of lack of internet access when using 12D model. In this video, we will show how to view the last certified time of the CodeMeter, how to set the certification process to be either manual or automatic, and how to manually certify a CodeMeter. To view the last certified time of a particular CodeMeter, open the CodeMeter Control Center, then access the Web Admin Service. Under the relevant CodeMeter, select the drop-down arrow titled CM Container Info. The last certified time will be shown here under Certified Time. By default, 12D model will automatically certify a CodeMeter when a license on that CodeMeter is used to open a 12D model project. This can be disabled, if that is your wish, by turning off the environment variable in the env.4d file, which can be accessed through Project, Management, env.4d, then navigating to Dongles, General, and unticking the Auto Certify CodeMeter tick box. Click Write and save this to your project folder. To apply these changes, you will need to restart the project so that the new env.4d file is referenced when the project is opened. If you want to change this environment variable across your organization, because currently we have only changed it for this project, you will need to override the environment variable in the environment within your environment configurations file. Refer to the video titled Environment Configuration Files, Environments in this video series for more information. You'll see in the output window on startup that the env.4d file we just wrote out has been used as a setup file to open the project. When a project is opened with the new env.4d file referenced, the CodeMeter will no longer get time certified automatically. If you do have automatic CodeMeter certification turned off, or are a user without regular connection to the internet, 1 month before the end of the 2-month period where certification needs to occur, 12D model will bring up a Certify CodeMeter dongle panel upon project open to remind you of the need to certify the CodeMeter. To update the certified time manually for the CodeMeter being used for the current 12D model project, you can go to Project, Management, Dongles, Certify CodeMeter, and selecting Certify. In this panel, you can see the certify time, as well as the time until the warnings will show, and the time until the dongle certification will expire. You can also update all time certificates for all CodeMeters connected to that computer by clicking the Update button on the right-hand side of the Web Admin Service, where we were viewing the certified time. You'll need to click this Update button individually for each CodeMeter connected to the computer. And also, directly through the CodeMeter Control Center by selecting Process, Update Time Certificates, which with one click will update all CodeMeters connected to that computer. You will need access to the internet to certify CodeMeters in each way shown.